So hello my dear friends, I am just sharing the NviNomics class notes so that you can get the whole कि कैसा notes है. So this is Indian economy notes, like जैसे 5 year plan है, history of 5 year plan हो गया, concept of 5 year plan होगा. And apart from this, whatever is written here, we discuss everything in the class. We do daily few questions related to the topic. Okay, and you will be provided these notes after the class. So these are the core features, and this is the contact details. What you can see that just download our app, NviNomics app. And apart from this, you can just contact here on the given details, www.navinomics.in, or you can just email us. This is phone number or WhatsApp number, that 9153269764, or you just contact on navinomics@gmail.com. And similarly, again, if you have class 6 like Indian economy and agriculture, so this is the way I teach, and I provide each and every topic wise notes. Similar kind of notes will be provided for each and everything, and handwritten notes are provided for the microeconomics, macroeconomics, growth, development, everything. So just do contact. This is the course details for the crash course, you can see here. So I hope this video was fruitful to you, just to give you a glimpse कि कैसा क्लास का नोट्स वगैरह है. सो दिस यू कैन जस्ट गेट. ओके, so thank you so much guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this video among your friends, and guys please subscribe the channel so that you can stay updated, and please join the course. So this is the all course details, what you can see. Okay, you will be provided class notes, everything, test, one-to-one guidance. You can text me personally here on the given telegram id, right? You can see here na, this telegram wala scene, this one telegram se NviNomics@. Okay, so hope this video was fruitful. So just share with the friends, and चलिए प्रिपरेशन को गियर अप कीजिए, and things are easier as you think. Okay, so I don't think with this much price anybody can provide you the course. I don't think for sure. चलिए then, good luck, bye bye, take care, all the best for your exams, and hope to see you in the class. एंड किसी भी प्रकार का डाउट हुआ तो यू जस्ट कमेंट बिलो, एंड प्लीज़ ज्वाइन कर लें टेलीग्राम को. नीचे टेलीग्राम लिंक दिया होगा, यू कैन ज्वाइन देयर, डाउनलोड NviNomics ऐप, एंड स्टे ट्यून विथ माई यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ एज वेल एज on the app, because lots of free contents are there, and till your exam I am with you, don't worry. Chalo, all the best, bye bye guys.